Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier and plan support Wi-Fi calling, because without that the feature won't activate. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and verify internet browsing works. This ensures SIP signaling can reach your carrier. Next, update your phone's operating system and enter your emergency address in settings. Carriers require that for 911 routing. Now open your phone's calling settings. We'll enable the feature in the next step and verify permissions and network priority. You should find Wi-Fi calling inside phone or connection settings. Toggle it on and wait for registration with your carrier, which may take a minute. Make sure you grant required permissions for calling, contacts, and location so emergency address and caller ID function correctly. Then choose your preference. Wi-Fi preferred to keep calls on Wi-Fi when available, or cellular preferred to fall back to cellular first. Once registered, place a short test call to confirm voice quality and caller ID display. Proceed to troubleshoot if needed. You finish by making multiple short test calls and sending an SMS to confirm both voice and messaging route over Wi-Fi. Check call quality and seamless handover to cellular if you move out of range. If Wi-Fi calling fails to register, restart your phone and router, reset the SIM card, and retry. This clears common NAT or SIP issues. If problems persist, contact your carrier with your device model, OS version, and any error text so they can check provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.